Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to sort photos in Google Photos. And let's get started by open Google Photos. So right now we're in the main Photos feed, and right here we cannot sort it because by default it's sorted chronologically by date. So we cannot change it. We can click on something, but we have no option also to sort it. So you need to go to collections and select albums, and in albums we can sort it. So let me open some album, then we can click at the two arrows at the top, and now we can sort it by oldest or newest first, or recently added by just tap on it, let's say newest first. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.